Happy Easter! Welcome back for another virtual story time. I'm Miss Nicole here at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden, and you guessed it, today we're reading about Easter. So we're going to read Happy Easter Mouse. Let's get started. The night before Easter, Mouse decorates some eggs. Have you ever decorated Easter eggs before? I love to do that. When he wakes up on Easter morning, he finds a yellow egg under his covers. Let's see if I have a yellow egg. Here's one. It's got some pink on it too. Who put these red eggs on the counter? Do you see the red eggs on the counter? And who's this? Looks like I see some ears and a little paw. And look, I have a red egg. Mouse spies a few blue eggs under the rocking chair. Here's some blue eggs. Let's see, do I have a blue egg? Yes, I do. And 4 orange eggs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's my orange eggs. Who balanced all these purple eggs on the table? Here's the purple eggs. And who's this? I see some ears. Who could it be? Here's my pretty purple egg. Mouse loves the green eggs he finds on the desk. Look at all these green eggs. I have a green egg too. He looks around. Who's hiding all these eggs? Who do you think's hiding these Easter eggs? It's Bunny! Happy Easter, Mouse! So for our craft today, we're going to make our own bunny nose mask. You can find this by registering for our virtual living lab, which can be found at Keywest.garden/education. And you'll find the tutorial to make this. All you need is a popsicle stick, some pom-poms. You can also use cotton balls. You can make little teeth or use the cutout, and some pipe cleaners for your whiskers. And for our activity, we have an Easter egg matching activity. So you can find it online and print it out to play at home. So now we're going to do some matching. Let's see. We have to turn over 2 and see if they match. Do these 2 match? No. Let's try again. No. I found this one already. I think it was right here. So that counts as a match. So you can play at home by printing it out and cutting out the shapes and flipping them over and finding the match. I hope you had a good time with me for story time for Easter, and I hope you have a very happy Easter. See you next time.